In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Facebook post in Canva. Alright, so I'm starting here on my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to Canva. I'll just type it into the address bar, hit enter, and wait for the page to load. Once I'm on the Canva homepage and everything is ready, I'm going to go ahead and start the design process. So from here, I'm going to click on Templates. I see it right here on the screen, so I'll click on that. And now it takes me to a section where Canva shows all kinds of design categories. There's a lot here, so to make things easier, I'm going to use the search bar. I'll click into the search bar and type Facebook post, then hit enter. Once that loads, I can see a bunch of different templates made specifically for Facebook posts. You'll notice there are a lot of styles here, so I'm just going to scroll through and take a quick look. At this point, I'm just browsing and checking what looks good. Once I find a template that I like, I'll go ahead and click on it. So I'm clicking this one right here, and now I see the option that says customize this template. I'm going to click that to open the editor. Now I'm inside the Canva editor, and this is where I can start designing the post. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the text. I'll highlight it and type in my own content. I can do this for every text box I see, just clicking and replacing the words with whatever I want. Once that's done, I'll move on to the design itself. I can click on different elements like images, shapes, or icons and adjust them. I might move things around a little, maybe drag something to a different spot or resize it so it fits better. I'm just making small changes as I go. Now I'm continuing to customize the design. I can click on different parts of the template and tweak them however I like. Maybe I'll adjust the layout slightly or just clean things up so everything looks balanced. I'm just clicking, dragging, and editing as I go. At this point, everything is starting to come together. I've updated the text, adjusted the elements, and made the design feel more like what I want. I'll take a moment to look over everything just to make sure it all looks right. And that's pretty much it. That's how you design a Facebook post in Canva. Just go to Canva, click on templates, search for Facebook post, choose a template, click customize this template, and then customize your design. Once you get used to it, the whole process feels really quick and easy, and you can create something that looks clean and professional in just a few minutes.